So right now we're just working on the TL. That shock in there is actually bent. Let's see if I can get a better picture. So I have to change that out because I'm getting ready to put this thing on the road. So I have a new one right here in the box. So this is some normal, knockoff, but it should be good enough to hold me over till the summer until I do the complete swap with coilovers and all that stuff. So right now, this is just to get the car on the road. Then I gotta go get some tires. There, it's kind of bowed out and leaning to the back of the vehicle. So I think the control arms are good. So I'm just gonna knock these shocks out real quick. These are 10s. These should be a 12. Take these off. Actually, no. Just take this one off. And I should be able to lower the top. Take the entire fork out. And I should be able to drop everything down. And I guess snake it out through here. So we have to come up here to remove the strut bar just to get access to the bolts. Okay, so with this out, all those out, the struts are 14 and the sway bar, the strut tower bar is 12s. So now it should be loose. Now I gotta loosen the sway bar link. That will make it a lot easier. Oh, okay. Just hanging on by this right here. So I'm guessing if I just turn the steering wheel, it'll probably just come out easier, but I'm just being lazy. So there you go. So look at it. It's definitely bent. So the shock is bent. So instead of taking off the spring or whatever, just bought this entire unit. And there it is. Comparison before and after. The whole shock is bent on this one. It's a brand new one going in. Okay, so I had to give in and do it that way. But as you saw, do it the right way, it's a lot easier. So now I just gotta push this down, slide this sleeve back in, then I can start tightening up the whole suspension. Normally it's supposed to slide up, but I guess with the powder coating it's a little bit sticky. So there's this mark right here that has to line up, that little arrow has to line up with the opening down here. So I turn it. Okay, so once it's on, the gap should be closed. Now I can just tighten this up. This is a 14. Okay, so now that that's tightened, so you turn this, you try to line this back up with that hole, and then put the bolt through, and then you can start reassembling everything. Now it came out through here. Just gotta tighten that up, tighten up the sweep bar link, and reattach all these. So normally I stand the jack underneath here, just lift this up a little bit so it could be a right height, and then I tighten this up. So now tighten the rest of these bolts, tighten up top, and then like I said, come back. The sweep bar link doesn't really matter, so I'm just gonna tighten that up right now. So this is kind of a guesstimate, so I just normally put it wherever I think right height will be, more or less, and just tighten it up. Okay, so now everything's tight. Let's come up here, make sure you tighten these up. I tighten up the struts first before I put the bar back on.